earning over $5,700 just by using a few apps and websites. In this video, I'm going to reveal how you can easily make over $1,000 every single week by using a powerful platform that you can get $6,000 in just over 2 months. Let me first introduce you to MyLead. It is a new platform for affiliate marketing and offers wall tools that operate globally, allowing you to earn money from anywhere. MyLead has launched a new publisher panel, mylead.eu, designed for both experienced and beginner users. This platform is ideal for increasing app developers' earnings significantly through its offer wall rewards. The MyLead offer wall is particularly beneficial for professional publishers with mobile apps, games, or websites, as it provides a valuable monetization tool when integrated into their digital properties. Step 1. Register on MyLead. To begin, click on the Join the Best button to start the registration process on MyLead. You'll be directed to a registration page where you need to enter a username, your email address, and create a strong password, which you'll confirm by re-entering it. Check the boxes to agree to the privacy policy and terms of service, then click Start Your Free Registration. MyLead will send a token key to your email. Copy this key, paste it on the registration page, and click Activate a Free Account. On the following page, keep the account type set to private unless registering as a company. Provide some basic information about yourself and click Complete the registration. Once done, log into MyLead to access your new account. Step 2. Understand offer. Wall integration involves going to the Google Play Store and searching for online earnings. This search will display various apps designed for making money online. For instance, let's examine the EarnWeb app, which has amassed over 50,000 downloads. To earn money with EarnWeb, users must install various apps and games, complete surveys, and engage in similar activities. While individual users may earn small amounts for these tasks, the app owners generate substantial revenue because they offer wall platforms like MyLead. MyLead provides various offers that users can complete, earning money for themselves and generating passive income for the app owners. For example, if you earn $60 for installing an app or completing a survey, the app owner will receive a passive income of $20, $40, or even $60 from MyLead for your completed offers. Step 3. Create and integrate offer wall. This is how online apps and websites generally operate, and it's perfectly fine because it benefits both the user and the app owner. If you're interested, you can also create and manage your own app. Nowadays, creating and owning an app is quite simple, and I'll guide you on where to obtain pre-made apps that you can manage. This way, you can integrate MyLead's offer wall into your app or website to start earning passive income, just as I have with MyLead. Once you grasp how this process works and how owning an app or website can be profitable, the next step is to revisit the MyLead dashboard. You'll notice my earnings from a previous MyLead account, but I've set up a new account to walk you through the process step by step. MyLead offers 2 main ways to make money. Affiliate marketing. Click on Affiliate Marketing on the left sidebar and select Affiliate Campaign. This will take you to a page with various affiliate offers. MyLead partners with top advertisers, providing access to lucrative offers. For example, you can earn over $1 for one offer or more than $9 for another. You can use filters to find the best offers, such as category or conversion type filters, to match your preferences. For instance, if you choose the Grab Points offer, you'll find that it's a CPA, cost per acquisition offer, where you earn over $8 per lead. Remember, this offer is available only in Canada, the UK, and the US, so you'll need to target traffic from these countries. You can also incentivize users to complete the offer for you. To promote, select a traffic source like social media, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, LinkedIn. Set it up, verify it, and you'll receive an affiliate link or code to embed in your app, website, or blog. The second method to make money with MyLead is by using the Offer Wall Rewards feature, accessible through the Tools menu. This method is crucial, as it has earned me over $5,700, or more than $6,000. The offer wall, also known as the wall of offers, is an ad format that you can integrate into your mobile apps, games, discount websites, music apps, or any other platform. It generates passive income whenever users complete offers on your site or app. Users can earn points by completing surveys, performing tasks, or taking various actions, which can then be exchanged for cash or rewards like gift cards. To set up an offer wall, click on the Add Offer Wall Reward button, which will lead you to the settings page. Here, you can name your offer wall, which won't be visible to users. Enter the link to your app or website and configure the currency multiplier. This multiplier determines the value of points in your app. For example, a $1 voucher could equal 100,000 points. You can also name the currency and choose the platform type of your app. Web for Google Sites. You can customize the theme of your offer wall by adding a logo, adjusting colors, and setting other visual preferences. After setting up, click the Add Offer Wall button to finalize. If you prefer, you can manually select specific offers to display from MyLead's extensive list. You can filter offers by category, conversion type, country, and device type. MyLead's offer wall is well regarded for its modern design and user experience, and it supports multiple languages including English, Spanish, Russian, and Ukrainian. MyLead provides robust support through experienced affiliate managers and free educational resources. Their system is designed to automatically select the best offers for each region, ensuring both effective user engagement and optimal earnings for you. Step 4. Promote your app or website. To integrate an offer wall into your app or website, click on the Site Codes option. A pop-up will appear where you select your domain and then copy the provided code, which you'll embed into your app or website. If you don't have an app or website yet and want to create one, you have several options. You can build it yourself or hire professionals from Fiverr. When buying an app on Fiverr, specify that you want to include an offer wall feature. The cost for such an app should be a few $100s. Once you've embedded the MyLead offer wall into your app, you can promote it for free on platforms like YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, Reddit, and Pinterest. The offer wall is a great way to generate revenue from your app, and MyLead frequently updates its tools with features like A/B testing and smart links. With some users, you can start earning money monthly from your app. If you're eager to start earning money online like I have, begin by registering on MyLead, a versatile platform for affiliate marketing and offer walls. In using MyLead tools, you can generate passive income through affiliate offers and offer walls integrated into your apps or websites. Start by creating an account on MyLead, then explore various earning apps to understand how they work. You can use MyLead to promote affiliate offers or set up an offer wall in your app or website to earn whenever users complete tasks. So what do you think? Are you excited to try out MyLead and integrate the offer wall into your app or website? Let us know in the comments below if you have any questions or if you're already using MyLead. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Profitability Plus for more videos on making money online and affiliate marketing. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.